वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमका येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आणि आता पावसा पयली आमी ये मँगो पिकल चेपणेची तोरा करता. तर आता ह्यो सीजन हिंगासर आनी तुमका मेवता हिंगासर. आणि ह्या वर्सा मातशें मुश्किल जाताले पण आता स्टार्ट जाला मेवपाक. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल pickle what we do by like now it's like water pickle. You can call it water pickle by only salt and few chilies, and you have to just preserve it in a vessel for maybe 5 to 8 days till the salt get melted and still till this all get nicely done. So I will show you how it is afterwards, how it turns out. So in Konkani we call it chepnechi tora. So this is not chepni now, like, and you have to keep a heavy weight. Okay, keep a heavy weight and with salt. Any heavy weight you can use, stone or anything. So if you are doing it in a quantity, now this is like 100 numbers. So I'm using this salt quantity for this 100 mango raw mangoes. Okay, so I'm using a bucket. Okay, you can use any tub or any bigger vessel, whatever you have, whatever is available. So now I will put salt over here, and then I will put mangoes, then again salt, mango, salt, and then we have to put a weight and keep it like that only. तर आता हांवें ही बालदी घेतल्या. ओके, कित्याक ती शोमोर जावंक जाय हितून बालदी घेतल्या. तर पयलें मीठ, मागीर तोरा, मागीर मीठ, मागीर तोरा, अशें करून लास्ट मागीर मीठ आसूंक जाय. आनी थोड्यो कश्मीरी चिलीज घेता हांव, अरावंड कश्मीरी चिली तोडून घालतली. आनी मातशें चिरून घालीत न्हू, मातशें एक तोरबा चिरून घाली जाल्यार बरो वास येता. आनी इल्लें हांव लसूण पूण उडयतली. ओके, तर हे पयलीं अशें मीठ घालया. मोठें मीठ नाजाल्यार तुमचे कडेन मोठें मीठ ना जाल्यार दुसरें पण रॉक सॉल्ट. इफ इट्स नॉट अवेलेबल देन यू कॅन टेक एनी अदर. सो दिस इज रॉक सॉल्ट. Whatever is available, you all please do that. Now we'll put this, and I am keeping this because it is very delicious. Then we'll break like this chilies in between, and few garlic, additional flavor. Okay, so then again salt. So more salt, it is always better. Then here again salt. So we'll be needing one more bag of this. So in Mapsa you get it for 30 rupees a bag. So here now we will add our chili. And these are few I am keeping like this. I've cut it into 4 pieces, and I'm just keeping it like this so you get nice aroma. So एका अशे चिरो घालात 4. हे माझे शेजारीन म्हाका टिप दिल्या, थँक्यू गुलाबी, की माझी फ्रेंड माझी शेजारी की अशें घाली जाल्यार धमधमीत वास येता. सो दिस इज समथिंग न्यू. माय ग्रँडमदर चिरून घाली नासली माझी घरा माय, ती डायरेक्ट घाली आनी सोडटाली. सो आता मिरसांग कुट्टून घालुया. आणि मीठ कुट्टून. आता मी अशें घालून आता हेजेर वेट दवरूंक जाय. So here is this, I'm keeping this and then a heavy weight. Okay, so any plate, whatever you have, and below that I have kept some plastic and all. These are some plastic, cling film, everything. And now this is the plate, and here goes heavy weight on this. Okay, so now we leave this for 5 to 8 days till all the salt turned into water and it is nicely done. So see you later after 8 days. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. 8 दिसा उपरांत मेळुचे आमी आनी तुमकां मागीर दाखयता. ओके, थँक यू. तर आता आमी चेपणेची तोरां आमची पळोवया. So let's open this after 8 days. What it is. And here is our chipney tora ready. Okay, they are nicely done. And we will now transfer this to a brim. So this is, you can transfer or any bottle if you have. See that it is nicely cleaned. And then we will add this one by one over here. Along with the chilies, and that same water will go inside. So here is our pickle. आमची तोरां रेडी आसा. आता ही स्टोर जातली आनी अराउंड 1 वॉरस पासून तुमच्यांनी उजार करूं येता आनी खावं येता आनी पावसान जाल्यार एकदम काम येतली. थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं. गोंयची चेपणेची तोरां. गोवन homemade water pickle. Enjoy this with kanji, that is Goan pears, awesome dal and rice, and it is a monsoon special.